In this video, we will review Bitrix24. Bitrix24 is a featured, packed business management platform that offers a mix of CRM, project management, team collaboration, HR tools, and communication features, all in one platform. On paper, it's an incredibly appealing solution, especially to small to medium-sized businesses that want it all in one place with a lot of useful features. The CRM system is fairly robust with automation, sales funnels, lead tracking, email marketing tools, while the project management side includes tasks, time tracking, and boards. Bitrix24 also includes tools like built-in chat, video calls, document storage, and even a website builder with live chat integration. The free version is one of the most generous in the market, offering up to 12 users and access to most of its features, which makes it a great starting point startup or small team businesses that have little funds. However, the platform's biggest strength is its sheer range of tools. It's also its biggest weakness, as it can be very overwhelming, cluttered for many new users or beginners. Many features are buried under layers of menus, and onboarding can be very frustrating without strong guidance. While the CRM and task management features are very decent, they do not match the depth and polish of many other alternatives in the market, like Trello or Asana. The mobile app also is hit and miss in terms of performance. Customer support can be slow unless you're on the higher tier plans. Paid plans start at $49 per month for 5 users. This is the basic tier, and go up to $200 per month and beyond for a maximum team size. Bitrix is a powerful and cost-effective solution if you're willing to invest your time and learning its ecosystem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.